Roatan is 36 miles long, 4 miles wide. You're approximately 36 miles away from Honduras mainland. We have no stoplight. Center, no stoplight. That makes some people to drive at the Fast and the Furious.
Snorkeling in Costa Maya is an unforgettable experience, offering crystal clear waters and easy access to the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest reef system in the world. Whether you explore the Mahagany Reef just offshore or venture further to the renowned Banco Chinchorro Biosphere Reserve, you'll be greeted by vibrant coral formations, tropical fish, sea turtles, and even rays gliding gracefully through the water.
They're back on board, freshened up, and off to the next comedy show.
Food is not allowed in the Grand Spectrum Theater.
Can't bring white people anywhere. See, I made her get rid of the stuff.
You guys know he's joking, right?
Welcome into the Grand Spectrum Theater for our late night comedy show or our morning comedy show. It's a pleasure to have you all out here. How's everybody doing? Now family, I know it's a late show, but a lot of people came in not wearing any bra, and some of you have really big nipples.
Definitely not a PG show.
Yep, you can put it right there. I'll take one more, since she's not taking hers. Thank you.
So if you want, you can take... There's a lift that will take you over. We did it last time. It's not a free feature, but I say if you've never been here before, do it.
We're trying to burn off some of the breakfast calories.
Yep, we had a lot of calories. I think you guys saw that in the clip previous to this. Yeah, actually, I added a third Danish to my plate. I stopped recording, so I ate it all.
Roatan, a jewel of the Western Caribbean, welcomes cruise visitors to two distinct ports, Mahagany Bay and the port of Roatan. Both offer unique experiences for every traveler. Mahagany Bay, located on the southern coast of the island, is Carnival Corporation's exclusive cruise port. This sprawling complex features shopping, dining, and easy access to the private Mahagany Beach, connected by a scenic chairlift ride. It's perfect for those looking for a resort-style atmosphere without venturing too far from the ship. On the other hand, the port of Roatan is situated in Coxon Hole, the bustling commercial and cultural hub of the island. Here, visitors can dive into local life, with street vendors, local shops, and authentic Honduran cuisine just steps away. It's also a gateway to some of Roatan's most famous attractions, like the vibrant West End and the world-renowned coral reefs. No matter which port you dock at, Roatan offers breathtaking natural beauty, warm hospitality, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little of both, Roatan has something special for everyone. Ever heard of the B.O.S.S underwater adventure? B.O.S.S stands for Breathing Observation Submersible Scooter, and it's a revolutionary way to explore the vibrant marine life of the Caribbean Sea. After a quick safety briefing and introduction, you'll hop onto your personal underwater scooter designed to let you breathe naturally without needing scuba training. Glide effortlessly beneath the waves as you're surrounded by colorful coral reefs, exotic fish, and other marine creatures unique to Roatan's waters. The scooters are easy to operate, making this adventure perfect for beginners and experienced snorkelers alike. With professional guides leading the way, your journey is not only thrilling, but also safe and unforgettable. Whether you're looking for a new way to experience the ocean or simply want to add some adventure to your day, the B.O.S.S Underwater Adventure is the perfect choice for all ages.
We almost ended up being pier runners. Thank God we did an excursion that was through Carnival. But our lady said, yeah, we got time. It's 3:30 local time. You have time, she said, to go shopping if you want. I'm like, that means it's 4:30 on the ship. And the ship leaves at 4:30. We made it just in time before Shack's closed. We just wanted to get the fries. So now we're headed to Guy's Burger to put a burger with these fries.
Clean room upon returning from the excursion. What more can you ask for?
Looks like nap time.
It's empty in there because everybody went to eat Thanksgiving traditional style.
The Richearts enjoyed a multi-course meal, offering a variety of dishes to enjoy. While not all the courses were captured on camera, each one added to the overall experience.
So while the plates weren't traditional Thanksgiving dishes, they were still delicious because everyone felt stuffed afterward.
Now James comes with the moves. Also James comes with the sound. If you don't come correct, we get the point. And this is your selection. Alright? Let's see if you got it. Team Brown. James Brown. Are you ready? Good.
I'll be good. I'm good and I'm moving now. So nice, I got you.
Thanksgiving night was definitely a success. While Thanksgiving is traditionally spent at home, there are unique perks to celebrating on the celebration. See what I did there? The Richearts had an action-packed day, exploring as many of the activities possible aboard the ship. And now, it's time for one of Rogan's top reasons for cruising.
I think she's new because she don't know where to take us. Okay, we're looking for 714. Apparently that's not that easy to do. All right, we found a location. Thank you, thank you. What you got over there? What you got over there?
Fish.
You want catfishy? All right, this here, what is this called again? And you look like you was happy with it, so let's see if the wife has good taste. Let's see. Well, she picked me, so.
You guys know he's not joking, right?
Oh, damn. I should have got that too. Camera looking back at me. Let's fix that. That's better. Chocolate, Carnival chocolate melting cake. And what did you get, babe? Darling, what did you get? Tiramisu. So this trip was pretty good.
The rest of the night was energetic.
Eating real healthy, real healthy.
I'm curious, do you think the Richearts gained weight?
A better question is how much?
All right, we're doing 10 flights of stairs. Last day, we're just trying to work off a couple of calories. Yeah, and my legs are giving out. I don't think I got space in my lungs. My stomach is taking up all the space.
20 minutes later.
I love the Shack fries. This is the Big Aristotle, and this is the MDE.
Wait, we forgot to show you the Jeep footage. Ready for some adventure? You can experience all this excitement at Xplor, and if you haven't checked out Part 1 yet, you're missing out. Those zip lines are a must-see. Now, tell me, doesn't this untraditional Thanksgiving week look like something worth experiencing? Gather your family, dive into the adventure, and create memories like these for yourselves. Trust me, you won't regret it.
One of the workers flagged him to slow down. It's not the first time this has happened.
We always get caught. The last day, we have to go away. One of the smoothest debarkation days ever coming out of Miami. Port Canaveral's not too bad, but today was the smoothest period getting off of the ship. Never experienced it like that before, coming off the Celebration or Mardi Gras. I've done those ships a few times, my wife and I, and today it was smooth sailing, especially on the ship that was as full as it was for Thanksgiving week. Pretty good, pretty good. Keep it up, Carnival. Keep it up.